How to fix there is a problem deleting your Tinder account. If any day you want to delete your Tinder account, however there is an error showing in deleting your Tinder account, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, tap on the Play Store on your device. After you tap on Play Store on your device, in the search section, search Tinder out there. And when you search the Tinder out there, you can see the option of Tinder. Just tap on that and you will see an interface like this. Now you have to check whether there is any updates available or not. If there is any updates available, just update your Tinder application. Otherwise, it's okay. Now you have to launch Tinder application on your mobile device. In order to launch Tinder application on your mobile device, you can do two steps. Number one is directly opening the Tinder application from here by clicking on open. The next one is closing the settings option and just going to the Tinder application by searching Tinder application on your mobile device. However, I find the first step very easy and very smooth and very fast to do as well. So I go to the open application out here, and after this the Tinder application will be open. And after you open or launch the Tinder application on your device, you have to see whether the home screen is open or not. And after the home screen is open, you have to go to the down right corner on the profile section and your profile will be open like this. Now you have to go to the settings on the top right, and after you open the settings on the top right, you will see a screen like this. After you see the screen like this, you have to check whether all the subscription has been turned off or not. It is very necessary to do that. After that, just scroll down and you can once log out your account and again log in for a smooth type of thing. And if you have already logged out and already logged in, now go to the option of delete account. Now after you tap on delete account, you will see an interface like this. Now go to the option of delete my account. After you go to the option of delete my account, you will see an interface like this. Just go to the option of skip, and after you go to the option of skip, you will see the screen like this. Now you can go and tap on the icon of delete my account. If you want to learn more about account deletion, you have to go with the option of learn more about account deletion and you can learn about it. If not, you can directly go to the option of delete my account and your account will be deleted. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.